Hi Shubranil, how are you? How are you, beta? Shubranil, dinner is done? Which beta, which chapter? Which chapter? हाँ सर मेरा डिनर ख़त्म हो गया हैगा आपका हो गया क्या? हाँ बेटा माय डिनर इज़ डन. Recently I have done my dinner. Hmm. By the way, you want which chapter of class 10th? Shubranil, do you want which chapter? Explanation? Trigno. Okay. Formula revision we are done, okay? Formula revision. Hmm. Share this session first. First of all, share this session to your friend. Hmm. Wait a minute, my dear children. Okay, I am come back. I come back, my dear, after 1 minute. Okay, wait a minute. Shubranil, video is all right. So guys, in this video we are discussing in this whole session, live session is this live session is dedicated for trigonometry, very challenging chapter in class 10th. Very doubt arise in this chapter, my dear, those students which are, my dear, currently in class 10th, or I'm telling you those question, my dear, which are very very important, most important for competition level, class 10th board examination level, and uh, UPSC level question. Which kind of question comes, my dear, in the competition level? Okay, so in this video we are only discussing the introduction part as well. The exercise part, my dear, we are discussing, my dears, in next video lecture. Okay, on the demand of yours, on the suggestion of yours, if you students are getting the, my dear, separate chapters, but I am already separate chapter. I am already make the, my dear, exercise all chapters, my dear, all exercise questions in, my dear, separate video. So without it delay, we will start the session. I am separately make the, my dear, dedicated trigonometry chapter, my dear. The link of the exercise part I am giving you, my dear, in the description box. In this video, formula we are discussing. Okay, formula we are discussing. सर बहुत दिनों के बाद ये व्हाइट बोर्ड देख रहा हूँ. हाँ बेटा, यस, आई एम ऑल्सो मिसिंग, माय डियर. आइए, trigonometry. Guys, trigonometry words are made up of three terms, my dear. Tree means what? Three. Very simple. Tree means what? Three. Tree means three. Gone means sides, and matrons means major. मतलब trigonometry chapter के अंदर we are measure the sides of a triangle. In this chapter we are discussing measure the sides of the triangle. Sides of a triangle we are measure. Sir, which kind of triangle? Triangle have different kinds of types. So my dear friends, my dear students, we are discussing, my dear, the dedicated specific triangle. In this chapter, the name is what? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle we are discussing. Whole trigonometry are based on right angle triangle. So we drawn over here right angle triangle. कितना degree? How much degree? It is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So A, B and C. This is a right angle triangle. Alright. In this right angle triangle, this is our what? This is our perpendicular. Okay. Alright. This is our theta angle. Corresponding to theta, my dear, this side is considered as what? Perpendicular. Corresponding to theta. Corresponding side of theta is what? Perpendicular. And the side which are associate, my dear, which are adjacent to theta, the side which are adjacent to theta is called base. Hindi we can say Aadhar. And the name of this side is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, hippopotamus. Very simple. The line perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. So my dear friends, front of the theta, corresponding of theta, the name of the side is what? Perpendicular. The side which are associate, my dear, associate to theta, it is called base. The side which are highest side of the right angle triangle, the name is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. 90 degree. Great. So it is an introduction part, all right? Introduction. So guys, in this chapter, the main thing is what? Sine theta. In this chapter, my dear children, trigonometry like a family. Trigonometry like a family. In this family, there are one couple. The name is what? Sine theta, cos theta. It is a husband, it is a wife, it is a habbuji or it is a Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi, habbu, habbu, habbu and Wi-Fi. This is the husband of cos theta. Sine theta is the husband of cos theta. That means these in this chapter, trigonometry family, this is the couple. The formula I am telling you, short trick of formula. There is a short trick, my dear children, because in board examination as well and railway, UPSC competition level examination, my dear students, the question directly comes from, my dear, these based topic, my dear. Directly question come from, my dear, basis of this topic. So you need to understand the main thing, which is short trick. The short trick to remember the formula. Short trick. Sir, what is the short trick? Short trick is Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर भोले सोना चांदी तोले. Again I said, P stands for, P means perpendicular, B means base, P means perpendicular. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर भोले सोना चांदी तोले. All right. Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर भोले सोना चांदी तोले. This is the one short trick. Another way of short trick is what? पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा. पापा पापा मैं बीड़ी पी लूं, पापा मैं बीड़ी पी लूं, पापा मैं बीड़ी पी लूं, हुक्का हो गया बंद. If you these statement you are, my dear, said to your father, so what is the father reaction? क्या बोला तूने? So like what, which trick you like most, my dear? Which trick you like, my dear? Fascinating. So those you are, my dear, remember and solving the questions. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. C means sin theta. C means cos theta. Or T is tan theta. Okay. Sin theta is the husband of cos theta. Sin theta ka baby is what? Cosec theta. Cos theta ka baby, sin cos ka baby is what? Sin ka cosec, and cos ka is what? Sec. The baby of tan theta is what? The child of tan theta is what? Cot theta. Sirji, what is the formula of sin theta? This is the formula of sin theta. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta formula, base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta formula, perpendicular upon my base. Just opposite. Tan theta opposite is what? Cot theta. So formula of cot theta is what? B upon P. Formula of sec theta is what? Reciprocal. Because sec theta is a opposite of cos theta. That means these formula base upon hypotenuse reciprocated. It is for hypotenuse upon base. Sin theta formula perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is the formula of cosec theta? Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. I think, are you getting, my dear friends? Okay. So my dear friends, this is the main thing whatever we are discussing in this session. And once again I'm telling you, पापा बीड़ी पी लूं हुक्का हो गया बंद. पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा, हरा भरा. Okay, guys, we are moving forward. Shubril, we are moving forward. Krishna, hi, how are you, my dear? Hello, Krishna, how are you? Okay, we are moving forward. Okay, this is the basic information. Sin theta is the habbu, cos theta is the Wi-Fi. We can say sin theta is the babu and cos theta is the sona. Babu sona. Okay. Okay, guys, we are moving forward. Now the second most weightage, most valuable topic and most important topic is what? The name is most important topic name is what? Trigonometry table. Directly question come from competition level examination, railway and UPSC level examination question, my dear, comes from these topic. If you remember these value directly, so you will easily, you can easily, my dear, address the question, execute these value, you can easily get the answer, my dear children, in the seconds. So once you, my dear, go through these, my dear, values, whenever I write all the values, so you can also write all the values. But you are, whenever you are not, my dear, revise, and my dear, whenever you are not take a revision, whenever you are not trying to revise, so my dear, it is a very difficult to so solving the question whenever the question comes, my dear, in the exam and competition level examination. Okay. देखो बेटा 10 times, my dear, 10 times तक आपको you are just, my dear, practicing 10 times, my dear, then you are able to, my dear, make by yourselves these table, my dear, clear cut. Okay. See, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. अरे यार, what's happening? Guys, the first value is common for all degrees. First value is common for all degrees. First collection of all values. You can say loudly with me. 0. Loudly with me, my dears. Say loudly. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Very simple. Again I said 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Okay, 5 values. 0. Loudly with me. Yes, I am telling you. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 or 1. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 or 1. Okay? So the first value is what? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay? Very simple. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Clear cut. Guys, these order, my dear, you can, my dear, just these order, my dear, you can, my dear, just write, my dear, in the reverse order. Whatever this order, you can just write, my dear, in the reverse order. Okay, reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Simple. Simple. And my dear friends, after that, what we need to do? Sine. I said tan theta. Formula what? Tan tana tan 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 तारा, साइन के नीचे कॉस बेचारा. इससे तुम्हें याद रहेगा. गाना बना लो. टन टना टन 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 तारा, साइन के नीचे कॉस बेचारा. तो इज व्हाट? टन टना टन 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 तारा, साइन के नीचे कॉस बेचारा. तो टाइम वर्स साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा. अच्छा, tan निकालने के लिए इफ यू फाइंड आउट द tan, तो साइन की वैल्यू को cos से डिवाइड कर दो. दैट मींस व्हाट? साइन की वैल्यू को cos से डिवाइड. साइन की वैल्यू को cos से डिवाइड. साइन डिवाइड cos, साइन डिवाइड cos, साइन डिवाइड cos. डिवाइड 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 डिवाइड. 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 1, so 0. 0 divided by 1, so what is the outcome? जोर से बोलो. 0 divided by 1, 0. 0 divided by 1 is 0. Once we talk about 1 by root 2 divides by root 2, so 2 से 2 cancel, 1 as it is, root 3 as it is. If they divides, my dear, themselves, so my dear, the 1 is the answer. 1 by root 2 divides 1 by root 2, so 1 time. Next, 2 divides 2, 2 ones are 2. 1 divides root 3, so 1 divide root 3, so how much times? So root 3. Fourth is very important, my dear. Students, my dear, students made, my dear, some mistakes whenever they are dividing 0 from 1. So if 0 divide by any number, 0. Alright, so 0 is a powerful, because 0 invented by India. 0 divided by, my dear, Indians, 0 is very powerful. So 0 divides any number, my dear, so it makes, my dear, whatever the number, it is, doesn't matter, they makes, my dear, the dividend number, my dear, is infinity. 0 divided any number, that means infinity. Next, cosec theta. I am already told you. I am already told you. Sin theta opposite is what? Cosec theta. Okay, sin theta का baby है cosec theta. Cosec theta is a baby of cosine theta. Sin theta is a father of cosec theta. So sin theta value 0 degree. So opposite of 0 is what? Opposite of 0 is what? 1. Wait. Opposite of 0. Figure out. Opposite of 0. Opposite of 0 is what? Infinity. Opposite of 0 is what? Infinity. Opposite of 0 is what? Infinity. वन बाई टू. देखो बेटा, cosec थीटा का 0 वैल्यू इज व्हाट? इंफिनिटी. 1/2 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/2, so 2/1 is what? 2/1. 1 by root 2, Opposite is what? 1 by root 2 opposite is what? Root 2. Root 3 by 2 opposite, 2 ऊपर, root 3 नीचे, 2 by root 3. And 1 opposite, अरे 1 को टेढ़ा कर दो, you add it, ठीक है? You do anything with my dear 1, so 1 का 1 ही रहेगा. सीधा लेटा दो, उठा दो, बिठा दो, लात मारो, कुछ करो, ठीक है? Sec theta. So sec is a opposite of cos theta. Sec theta is opposite of cos theta. Getting? Sec theta is opposite of cos theta. Sec theta is opposite of cos theta. That means where it is? Value of sec theta. Opposite होता है, that means what? 1 का opposite what? 1 का opposite means 1. Root 3 by 2 opposite, 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 opposite, root 2. 1 by 2 opposite, 2. 0 opposite what? Infinity. Always remember, 0 opposite infinity, 0 opposite infinity, 0 opposite infinity, 0 opposite infinity. Okay? Getting? Similarly, tan theta. Opposite of tan theta is what? Opposite of tan theta is cot theta. 1 by cot theta, okay? 1 by cot theta. Tan theta, 0 opposite means infinity. 1 by root 3 opposite, root 3 ऊपर. 1 opposite, 1. Root 3 opposite, 1 by root 3. Infinity opposite, 0. I thought you getting, my dear children. Understand? Shubhranil. Understand? Okay. Now we are moving forward, my dear children. Take a screenshot of it. Shubhranil. See, the next formula we are discussing, trigonometric identities. Guys, come on, how the Josh? I thought today is Shahid Divas. The Shahid Divas are organized, my dear, in all Gurudwaras, all Sanatan Dharma organization, and today is Shahid Divas are celebrate. Shahibzade, हमारे गुरु गोविंद सिंह के साहिबजादे, they are, my dear, they are very they are very, my dear, powerful. They are very brave. They are very convicted determined persons mind. Determiner. I'm not saying person. Determines souls. Do you know, my dear, Aurangzeb deliberately putting them, both the childs of Guru Gobind Singh, my dear, inside the wall. This Aurangzeb said, uh, please accept the Islamic culture. Otherwise, I am just kill you. So Shahid Razi said, Vaheguru Ji Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I didn't have fear about the die. I am just ready for die. I am never accepting the Islamic culture, Islamic religion. So these kind of respond whenever the Aurangzeb getting. So they are completely blank which kind of spirit they have, which kind of confident conviction they have. So whatever, today is 350th Shahid Divas of, okay, yes sir, it is a local picture. Okay guys, sorry. तू मेरा साइन स्क्वायर, मैं तेरी कॉस स्क्वायर, आजा हम मिलकर दोनों एक हो जाएं। तू मेरा साइन स्क्वायर, मैं तेरी कॉस स्क्वायर, आजा हम मिलकर दोनों एक हो जाएं। तू मेरा साइन स्क्वायर, मैं तेरी कॉस स्क्वायर, आजा हम मिलकर दोनों एक हो जाएं। फिर अगला फॉर्मूला बना, कैसे बना 1 + 10 स्क्वायर, 1 + 10 स्क्वायर हुआ सेक स्क्वायर। थर्ड, 1 + कॉट स्क्वायर हुआ कोसेक स्क्वायर। If sine is square in the left hand side, so they are put, my dear, shift in the right hand side, guys. All right. If we hold sine square theta, so cos square theta automatically move in right hand side. So what is the formula introduced? Sine square theta equals to 1 - cos square theta. Okay. Same thing. If we are hold cos square theta over here, so sine square theta are moving in the left hand side. Cos square theta equal to 1 - sine square theta. With the help of these identities, two new formulas are, my dear, introduced. Next, 1 + 10 square हुआ sec square, 1 + 10 square हुआ sec square. So when we hold this tan square theta, so sec square theta, these one are shifting in the left hand side. All right guys, if we hold these one, so sec square theta are shifting in the, tan square theta are shifting in the left hand side, so it will become minus. Okay, so with the help of 1 + 10 square हुआ sec square, two new identities are formed. Third, 1 + cot square theta. If we hold once again cot square theta here, so formula is for cosec square theta minus 1 is introduced. Once we are holding cot 1 over here, so cosec square theta minus cot square theta introduced. So with the help of 1 + cot square is equal to cosec square theta, two new formulas are introduced. Guys, I hope you enjoy this session. This session is complete in this video. All right, we will meet tomorrow once again. If you have experienced doubt, yes, I thought whole introduction part of trigonometry chapter, introduction, basics formulas, trigonometric table, and these trigonometric identities, whole the parts of trigonometry chapter we are completely covered. What is your experience? What is your queries? You have a chat box. Your mindset, your thought process, which kind of axis, which kind of immense understanding you are developing. If you have a query, so you may mention the chat box, and please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. You can do anything and everything. Or first of all, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon.